YoloVanCoin, live on the screen, as that futures every day. You know what I mean? Daily point of interest, I wait that zone. Patience in my chest, I let the chart talk slow. TT rage, fractal model, lines in the plan. I do not chase candles, I let them come to hand. Need that 1 hour shift, state change on cue. Delivery flips clean, then I know what to do. No panic in the room, no ego at the wheel. I keep my pulse steady, I respect the feel. When price tells the truth, I don't force a play. I can sit on my hands and still win the day. See the C2 close up, then I'm ready to load up. 1 hour candle, one breath, M5 entry with no stress. YoloVanCoin, we trade with the plan. YoloVanCoin, palm hands, cold scan. Wait for the change, then I press it right. Build up the craft, get the whole crew right. YoloVanCoin, we trade with the plan. YoloVanCoin, strong mind, sharp eyes. No fear moves here, we don't bend it for pain. Better trader every day, we rise again. I stream the session, let the people see how a clean decision can set you free. Teach the young ones how to hold that line. Not every move is yours, not every chart is mine. If the point ain't hit, I stay patient, the state don't shift. I keep it vacant. C2 closure, then I watch that seed. C3 on the hour, that's the entry I need. I talk risk first, then reward can breathe. The pro don't need noise, just a tested read. Community growing from the steps I show. From I need a win to now I know. See the C2 close up, then I'm ready to load up. 1 hour candle, one breath, M5 entry with no stress. YoloVanCoin, we trade with the plan. YoloVanCoin, throw hands, cold scan. Wait for the change, then I press it right. Build up the craft, get the whole crew right. YoloVanCoin, we trade with the plan. YoloVanCoin, strong mind, sharp eye. No fear moves here, we don't bend for pain. Better trader every day, we rise again. I used to want it fast, now I want it right. Let the market breathe, then I step in light. No emotional trade, that's a heavy chain. I cut that loose and I teach the game. YoloVanCoin, we trade with the plan. YoloVanCoin, cold hands, cold scan. Wait for the change and I press it right. Build up the craft, get the whole crew right. YoloVanCoin, we trade with the plan. YoloVanCoin, strong mind, sharp eye. No fear moves here, we don't bend for pain. Better trader every day, we rise again.
Good morning everybody, good morning. Just a really quick check. Can you hear me? Can you see me properly? Let me see the chart. I can hear you, I can see you well. Perfect, perfect. Here we go. Let me see gold. Brother, I'm gonna wait for 10 o'clock, guys. Nico, there is a 18th of November low still intact, so gold can go lower. I'm pretty bearish. Yeah. I don't really like this price action, but we're trying to do what we can do. Maybe YM is going to pretty low, Nasdaq is going higher, and ES is gonna range bound a bit. Yeah, yeah, exactly. Yeah, it's consolidating right now after the news. Oh, guys, yeah. Why am I strong on NQ is weaker? I'm still waiting. Yeah, not that nice. Yeah, price action is like, hey, brother. Bearish turned to be bullish. The 1 hour time frame turned to be still bearish. I don't like this internal structure. Nasdaq took out the low. Yeah, I don't really like this. This is a news high here, 8:30 news, right? And 8 news low. Yeah. 15 minute can give us a C3, 30 minutes as well. Yeah. 15 minute C2 can be confirmed soon. That was at 30, 45. It's here. Yeah, guys, I'm not really rushed today to take any trade, but yeah, guys, this is a V-shaped reaction. Yeah. Dude, that's crazy. We had a consolidation, we went higher, 8, 9, 9:30 went higher, and we swept the low, we went lower, now we had a V-shaped reaction. Yeah, I think the price is like yeah, I wanna go higher. Yeah. The 8 9:30 high is coming. Yeah. GG. Yeah. On the 1 minute time frame, Nico, you can see the V-shaped reaction. Let me go on the 1 minute time frame here. And we have a closure. We had a closure there. So I wanna see the high to be taken. That's crazy. Yeah, here we go. ES took it out already. ES leading, I don't like it. This 1 hour bullish continuation model is playing out here. Damn, brother, that's a V-shaped reaction. London high is coming. Asian high is coming. Dude. So what happened? There was a strength change between Nasdaq and YM actually, and YM spread the low. So we had the consolidation, manipulation. Now we have a distribution phase on the 1 minute time frame. This is a manipulation. We are in distribution. This is like a strong V-shaped reaction. We took out all this liquidity that was built since 8-9 o'clock ish. We took out the, this is actually I think CPI. We had a CPI today, right? Let me check. Yeah, CPI high was taken. And there's a CPI low. Midnight is holding the price on both assets. Let me hide the CPI high here as well. Oh, let me put the music on. Guys, why don't you tell me there is no music? CPI high was taken. London high so close, but probably there's gonna be the here we see this low resistance liquidity. So ideally I want to see this London high to be taken, and yeah, okay. I was listening 3 trades live right now, but I can't concentrate on my own live. Dun, 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 dun. No, that's the CPI high here. Nice, accurate. No SMT, nothing yet. Let me see between YM. Yeah, probably we have a CPI SMT. If the price wants to go lower, that would be amazing. And we have a, oh shit, this is CPI low. Let me change. So if the price wants to go lower, then ideally I want to see SMT between the assets. And right now we have a SMT here. That's actually SMT with YM. Okay, I don't need YM anymore here because I see we have a SMT. So that's not bad. It's just 5 minutes SMT, but probably there's gonna be a 15 minutes and there's gonna be a 1 hour SMT as well. Let's just stay on the 5 minutes time frame. And this is a CPI low. I need here as well. CPI low. Okay, now I think we have a slightly good chance to have some entry. Yeah, I just wasn't sure which you know, I'm putting on charging this, which asset, no sorry, which news we had. Yeah, it looks like Nasdaq wants to go higher. So let's just, I don't want to see this on the 1 hour time frame. Oh wow, the problem, if the ES gonna lead today again, then if ES gonna lead again, I don't like the idea, because that means we're gonna have a chop day. I want to see Nasdaq leading, and now Nasdaq is behind and ES is leading. ES gonna go take a London high probably in the next couple of minutes. I think it's almost, it's took already. Yeah, here we go. So yeah, I don't like the idea ES is leading, and there is a volume area high at 73.84. So currently I can anticipate some rejection from there. Nasdaq just took out the high as well. That was an easy 100-point move in 5 minutes, a 1 minute candle. That's crazy. Yeah, I'm waiting for, if and that's a big if, that's gonna close bullish, then we're gonna go take Asian high. Good morning exactly. That's gonna go take Asian high in the next hour, but it's like flying. But I don't want to chase inside this candle, inside this 50 minutes candle. This is a C2, so and M30 C2. So next 50 minutes candle can be a good long opportunity. There is no SMT anymore, I guess. Let me check YM. Yeah, we still have SMT, but right now what I want to see is a new continuation. M15 Asian high is the target. I want to see now a slightly reaction from the daily open, and I want to see the price coming back to be at the new low inside this area. And let me see M15 point of interest here as well. We have a SMT already at the highs, but I don't care because this is a really bullish move. Still a bearish price action, but Asian high can be the door. I want to see how the price is reacting inside this big range. Here we go. At least I want to see a bearish continuation, a bullish continuation, but a bearish OB. Only problem is that it's already tagged into this fair value gap, I guess. Yes, let me see. Yeah, it's already tagged in, and both indices actually tag into this fair value gap on a 1 minute time frame, which was the only PDA I wanted to see to be tagged in. And yeah, I want to see Asian high, but I need an entry to frame. We'll see if we can. Yeah, very bullish. Yeah, that's why I'm trying to frame a 1 minute continuation to target the Asian high. I think that's gonna be as well at least like a 100-point risk. But we see right now we had this we had already. So what happened, the price already tagged into the fair value gap, right? So ideally we don't want to see price going and take out the previous 1 minute candles low, right? This should be protected. because it doesn't make any sense to take out. Why the price should go sweep again a bearish, and now, so I think that's because of we're gonna have a bullish reaction here. So if I long from here and I put my stop loss here, yeah, that's like something like 100 and geez. Oh bro, it's too much. I can't reach 60 point, and the Asian high is too close for that, and we don't have closure yet. That means the price can create a SMT retrace and then going higher. So I'm waiting. I'm gonna wait, but this is really bullish, guys. Like, but the swing formation is 80 point lower, so this is the swing formation here. So your stop loss should be here. I know Asian high is too juicy, but I want to see a closure here as well. Maybe ES can give us a good entry. Yeah, not really. Nasdaq on the 1 minute time frame, the 1 minute candle has no wick at the low, so probably that's gonna be a bearish candle, so don't jump in. I think this is gonna be a bearish candle. Dude, this is so close. Oh bro, that's gonna take out Asian high right now. Dude, Harvin second will have given an entry. Well, I don't know. One of the indices should not take the Asia high if the price wants to reverse, right? So right now we don't know. I think that was an interesting part to see that the ES turned to be more stronger, and now it's a weaker, and Nasdaq is a stronger. So ES, if you enter, you will be in the trade right now here, right? Because it's retested the point, and you will target 2R. The same on Nasdaq as well. We had this bearish down close candle. We have no wick, so I want to see the price coming back here into this fair value gap, and maybe from here a new bullish move. Alright guys, this is gonna be a bullish 1 minute candle because has no wick at all, so that's gonna reverse. There's gonna be a big wick here, I guess. Good morning Alan, good morning. I'm gonna wait for 10 more minutes because this can be internal liquidity for the next 1 hour candle. Because we have this fair value gap here still. This one is not valid anymore, and this one is not valid anymore. So currently now we tap into this 1 minute fair value gap, which doesn't make any sense, right? Because the price opened, went into this 1 minute fair value gap and rejected, went tried to reach the Asian high, then reverse on this up move. Here there is no changing state of delivery, but actually ES made a bearish 1 minute changing state of delivery. So this can be a bearish M15 candle, I guess. Let me put on the M15 on chart 2. Here we go. This can be a C2, right? We have 9 more minutes, and probably the lagging asset is Nasdaq now. I don't need a 4 hour time frame. Who's gonna tell me what's the 4 hour time frame profile? Well, Alan, the 1 hour time frame is still bearish. It's just retracing, and internal structure is bullish inside this 1 hour range. You see, this is just a dumb move because that was the up move. This is just a retrace, But honestly, you see guys, we were bearish, we retraced, and we retraced into this bullish up move here, and now we're rejecting and trying to going higher, but overall the price action is still bearish, so it can reverse and going lower to pre-daily low. So this candle is bullish, and this one is contra trend, so it's against the daily anticipation and against the medium time frame, so it's a low probability to long from here, but it can work, of course. Here is exactly the same on ES, but that's, we should know it's low probability one. We have this H4 fair value gap, and I wanted to see this M15 here, this M15 fair value gap to tag in before it goes lower. Let me see your plan, Nico. I'm just gonna go back to the 1 minute time frame. Yeah, H4 is bearish, yeah, and then a 1 hour time frame is bearish too. Yeah, that's I think is gonna happen. The H4 fair value gap, and there's a M15 fair value gap inside the H4. That's my point of interest where I would looking for shorts. Yeah, I mean you can trade contra trend. You know the business, so. But that's, we have to know that's lower probability one. We see that Asian high wasn't taken out on any asset, so the liquidity is still intact. Alright guys, share this live stream today everywhere. We wanna hit 800 followers today. I need 3 more followers and I hit 800. That's a huge milestone for the channel. Good morning András, welcome back. Long time no see you. Yeah, I hope everything's alright. So the 1 minute turned to be bearish, but we're inside this. Yeah, but I would like to hit 800 first, so guys, don't forget to share this video stream. I would like to hit the 800 today. I need 3 more followers. Here we go. This is a bullish reaction from this 1 minute fair value gap, from this point of interest. So ideally, if someone wants to long, could long from here. Put the stop loss below here, because there should be actually a bullish reaction. And you want to see price going higher. Because if you use this OB, you want to target 2R. Exactly the same here, we have SMT at the lows. We want to see at least the price going back to take out the 77. And the candle has no wick at the top, so ideally we want to see the price going higher. Let me put here, I'm not in the trade. I am not in the trade. I'm just annotating. I want to see price to go and take out 2R here. Beautiful if you catch it. You're on Croatia, Horvátországon vagy, you are safe nagyon. Here we go, the reaction we wanna see. Ideally you wanna put a break even around this 1 minute fair value gap. I'm not in the trade, but this was a clean 1 minute entry, because the price manipulated into this M15 point of interest and make a bullish changing state of delivery. You could enter here and target 2R, but it's not my plan. So you see here we have SMT as well. I'm trying to annotate. No, we don't have. Let me see. No, not here, but that's interesting because in Tradovate I have SMT. Wow, 2 points. So trading view is not accurate. I have something like this on my Trailweight account. Here we go. Right, here we go. 2 hours gonna hit soon, guys. Yeah, you see that SMT. Okay, 7 more minutes and we're gonna have a beautiful 1 hour time frame. We had these equal highs. I wanna fucking long that shit. Probably I'm gonna looking for longs inside the M15C3, guys. Okay, but I'm gonna annotate the H1 point of interest as well. Exactly here I want to see Asian high to be taken. I don't want to see any bearish reaction. I want to see a quick expansion now. I want to see my target to hit. Let me go on the 5-minute time frame, and this is my, here we go. That's gonna be a beautiful that's gonna be a C4, M15 C4. I don't need this. This one as well. I don't want to see this here. So right now I'm just waiting. Here we go. 1 minute fair value gap rejected the price. Perfect. So now I'm gonna wait. How's your study, András? How's your trading? Bum, 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 bum. Yeah, so that means we want to see an internal low to be swapped. So ideally I want to see something like this: high, low, higher, high, and sweep this one. Exactly the same: higher, lower, higher, high, and sweep this one. Here we go. Let me just, here we go. This is my, okay. First I want to see going higher, lower to trap more sellers, and then going higher. Let me see YM. Yeah, YM is bearish. I don't like this M15C2, so probably the price gonna go manipulate back to this M15 fair value gap into here. So there's gonna be a bearish candle, the next 15 minutes candle, and maybe we're gonna have a C2, and maybe one of the assets won't. So maybe we're gonna have a SMT at the M15 lows into this M15 fair value gap, and then not that one. Let me try to explain. Give me a minute, guys. Where is my fair value gap? Here, okay, and here as well. So I think what's gonna happen, this is gonna be just like that, and we're gonna have a SMT here, something like this, and then the next candle is gonna go higher. So inside this 15 minutes fair value gap, I wanna see a SMT form on the 15 minutes time frame. One of the assets swept into this fair value gap, this one just consolidating, because what happens now, YM is bearish, Nasdaq is going to retrace, and I want to see SMT, and ES is going to consolidate, and then after the consolidation there's going to be a breakout to the upside to take out Asian high, I guess, or it won't. That's my plan. If I see my plan, then I'm gonna trade. If I don't see, then I don't trade. Okay, this one has a fair value gap. I want to see on the 1 minute as well. Here we go. So far so good. All right, let me see what you wrote, Andreas. Good, I learned a lot, and I'm in. Wow, 1,100 profit in 50K funded account, brother. Good job. I still missing your trades. I want to see your trades to tell you it's a good or a bad, you know, trades you got. But I like the idea that you didn't give up, right? Here we go, guys. You see this SMT, right, in the M15. We have an obvious doll is here. I want to see continuation higher. I need 13 more minutes. Beautiful work, Andrej. Beautiful. I hope the Discord helps you to be a better trader, and I hope I can help you to grow in the future as well. So I want to see actually Asian high to be taken, but I want to see entry as well. I don't want to long inside the C2 M15 on 1 minute because this is not what I'm looking for. Let me delete this, let me delete this. Okay, I don't need this no, I need that one, but I don't need this M15 point of interest anymore. This one as well. Okay, Asian high is coming on ES probably. Yeah, Asian high was taken. I think that's gonna go higher. That's gonna go higher. Sometimes I don't like trading trade weight because it's so lame. Have sometimes this moment when it's freezing and then jumping a bit higher, and I don't think it's accurate sometimes. So please tell me sometimes why the tick is actually missing the entries and things like that, because right now I see again there was like a minute frozen and then just went higher out of nothing. So I don't really like, and I pissed off because many times I miss my entry or my TP because of these glitches in the system. Yeah, I mean Nasdaq can go higher from here. So Nasdaq still has the doll, but ES took out. But this is not like a real, like dude, like really like just for a tick. It's gonna go higher. So I think it's still gonna go higher. Because that's not what I see, but what I say that's a liquidity sweep or something. Come on guys, this is like just a fucking 93.50, 93.25. No, that's not real. That's not real. It's gonna go higher, and Nasdaq as well. It's just retracing back to this OB, and then you wanna see a new closure. You wanna see 87. You wanna see 87. So if you wanna enter, you wait for this to be disrespected, and then you can enter there. You put a stop loss there, and you target 2R. Something like this, right? Yeah, exactly. Like TradeObit has a lot of them, and I don't really like. All right, yes, it's going higher now. Let me see the chat. Yeah, you wanna, yeah, OB continuation, Nico. Yeah, it's hard to review in every trade. Yeah, but you have to have the habit to review, otherwise, you know. All right, let's go Nasdaq. Go higher. Take out Asian high. Let's go Nasdaq. Let's go baby. Let's go. Let me see if I can have an entry here. Perfect. I tag in, I put my stop loss here, and I want to target 2R, which is gonna be 209. Oh dude, that's a bit far. I want to see a quick expansion now. We have these low resistance liquidities into this 161. Let's go Nasdaq, fly baby, fly. I don't like this retest of this 50%. Probably there's gonna be a loss, guys. But there was a continuation. It's a 50%. We have this C2 because of this probably future C2. I took it because this respected this area. Because if the price wants to, you know, go lower, should happen here, but make the bullish OB. So I'm more bullish than bearish, but I should wait for the next candle. So I'm just gonna go close my entry in a $10 loss because I think I was a bit early. It looks like now it's consolidating, so I just close in $10 minus this entry. It is what it is. I don't like this mitigation block after mitigation block, guys. I don't want to be part of this. I want to wait for the next candle. Let me see what if you have yeah, it's flying now, beautiful. But it is what it is, guys. It is what it is. Yeah, probably it's gonna hit my TP, but yeah, Asian high was taken again on Nasdaq. Sorry, ES. Let me see the chat. Ooh, wow, I got a lot of tags. So I hope you didn't miss this entry. I close in $10 minus because I don't like this consolidation. Even I entered properly here. This is like I think we can have something like this, and we're gonna have a SMT here. I want to wait for the next 15 minutes candle because this one is a future C2, but it can be a bearish C2 as well, right? I'm not sure, so I'm just sitting on the sideline. If you took the entry, you could be in the break even already or something like that. Let me see, guys, the chat. V-shaped low, I will engage on them. Yeah, that's what it was in glitch. Yeah, exactly, the glitches. Yeah, when we use step into long posi in the case and it quiet case. Yeah, I wanted to, here we go. You see, this is why, that's why I was like, I don't like this price action. That's why I closed just in a $10 minus when I was in. I was like, nah, I don't want to engage this because this is fishy. This one is not what I'm looking for. Let me see, when we, okay. GL, what does it mean? Gold? You want to say something about gold? Oh, good long. No, it's not good, Nicole. I think something is fishy. I think we're gonna have a SMT at the highs or something like that. We will see. I wanted to see. Oh, good luck. Okay. Yeah, no, I'm waiting for the next candle. I'm not in rush. In the next, so if we have a C2, we have this SMT, and we're gonna close higher than this area. Then I can just with open low high close, and I'm gonna target higher prices. And I don't care Asia low, Asia high was taken because this is my target on ES inside this H4 fair value gap, right? So I don't care Asian was taken or not. I'm looking for liquidity level, and I have SMT at the lows, 50 minutes SMT, and I have a C2. Perfect. I want to see long later in the next candle. On gold there is a 1 hour C3. Let me see. Yeah, there is actually a bullish changing state of delivery, so you could actually long if you want. We take out November low and we can retrace back to this fair value gap here, which is not bad. If you go on the 5 minutes time frame and you annotate the area here, so this is a high, that's a area, this is a point of interest where you want to see a 5-minute changing state of delivery that's going to confirm the up move. So yeah, here you have to wait for the close, but it's really close to the target. So what you can do, you go on the lower time frame and looking for on the 15 minutes. You have anything? Yeah, after this you can have a C2 here. Can you tell me, do we have a SMT between silver and gold? I have no time for the chart right now. So this is the M15 fair value gap. This is actually C2 M15, and what we want to see actually, I want to see this one. I have 2 more minutes. Okay, no rush. Okay, and I want to go on the 15 minutes and 1 minute time frame now, and this is a 10, this is a 10-15, and I need here the 15 minutes candle only. Yeah, you see guys, this Nasdaq is now okay. So we had this M15 C2 to the lows and we swapped this, so this is the range. We didn't close above, there is no confirmation that this is a M15 C2. Okay, if it's gonna close like that, I want to see a manipulation into the next couple of minutes. We have now the confirmation from the C2. That's beautiful. Let me go on the gold as well. Good call, exactly, it's good call, yeah. Okay, and ideally we want to see this is the low. We have to wait until we see the closing price, and this is gonna be the M15 point of interest. Ding, 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 ding. I would like to see consolidating the indices until the gold is going back. I don't like this reaction yet. I think it's too harsh and it's V-shaped reaction, because if you see that was a consolidation, we manipulated out, now we close back to the range. So this is actually a bearish closure on the 1 minute time frame. We had a consolidation, but we let equal highs. So this is not ideal, but it is what it is. We had a C2, let me just mark. That's a high, that's a low. So you want to see a continuation from this level. Yeah, something like this. So you need a closure above this level, and you don't want to see this low to be taken, otherwise there is no C to the C2. Sorry, YoloVanCoin, it happens. What happened? I closed my Nasdaq long like here, like $10 minus with commissions. So actually that's not even a break, that's not even a trade. So I closed it because of that. Okay, no valid continuation on gold. Thank you so much. Not looking for anything now. I'm gonna wait for this 50 minutes candle to show what it wants to do. So I'm not touching until this 50 minutes candle is gonna be closed. Okay, let me see. Crude oil, yeah, I'm gonna close it. Indices, yeah, it's range bound. We had a, yeah, it's ranging, yeah, but didn't take out yet. I haven't taken out the Asian high, so but that's a V-shaped reaction, guys. That's a huge up move. but I think this is just like consolidation high, consolidation low. Probably we're gonna take out the high and then going lower, because that's like not even equal highs. We swept the previous high, the 163, and we went to 165, and the Asian high is at 168. So yes, the anchor trade you took, it's fine, you made the correct choice. Yeah, that's why I closed it, no hard feelings. That's, I was like, I don't like, I just realized I entered in the consolidation, I cut the trade in $10 minus, I don't care at all. Guys, don't forget to like the video, yeah, please, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're new. We're gonna hit 800 today, okay? And with gold, the 5 could be better. OB, I don't like this M15 sweep. I wanna wait for the M15. Probably the M15 is gonna be again a C2, and we're gonna have a bullish closure on M5. I don't know. I just wanna see all the time frames aligned to expand higher. Yeah. I'm so sleepy, guys. Oh, jeez. Let me see how many likes I have on the video, right? Because I see kind of like 8 people watching right now the live. Alright guys, if you watch this stream, if you see this stream, just press like. I see you watching and you haven't pressed like, okay? You use your pointing finger and you just tick click, and that's it. Okay, I'm gonna go back to the M15 time frame. We have SMT, but this is not really what I wanna see. This is consolidation, fuck. And because we reached the Asian high already here, then we can consolidate. I was thinking how I can make this wick ticker. I cannot. You see guys, it's so tight, I cannot really see sometimes the wick. Fuck it. Yo, yeah. Pum. There is no like. I mean, we had this sweep here, right? No, we don't have sweep. So this is the high, or sorry, low, and this is a low. No, that one. Yeah. I want to see. I don't know, sometimes this is too, like, I don't want them to. Okay, now I can see. Yeah, now it's clean. Now I can see one frame. Perfect. Okay, let me see the chat. Oh, gold is gonna hit for 84 days of VWAP. I feel like we are still trying to break that premium of yesterday 4-hour bearish bar. I want to ensure that we break above the fib level. Yeah, it can be. I mean, like, ideally we saw a changing state of delivery. We saw what happened here. So now on the 15 minutes time frame, of course, the 1 hour time frame as well, you see bullish. So, and it looks like a consolidation for me. So if the price wants to go lower, then it's gonna sweep the high end V-shaped reaction, or it's gonna go manipulate and V-shaped reaction. So from consolidation we never have retrace. When you have consolidation, we always have what? Breakout, retest, going higher, or breakout and the manipulation. So I mean, like the fake breakout. So when the consolidation, we only have two choices: breakout, retest, going higher, or manipulation and V-shaped reaction. We never have this. It never happens because that's consolidation. So we have only two ways. This is a consolidation, usually a bullish signature or reversal. So now we're just waiting. Let's go, let's go. I think my coffee is a bit too strong, guys. I'm too active. I'm tired, but I'm sniffing the coffee. It's good, it's strong. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. I don't need this shit. I don't know if I need a new OB to go higher, or there's gonna be a fake out. But we have this 5 minutes formation here. Dude, the long would be a win, but we don't care. Okay, so we had a new 15 minutes candle continue higher. That's nice. So I want to see continuation higher. Beautiful. I want to see now a bit consolidating, retest the breakout, and then enter the next 15 minutes candle. Beautiful. You guys see this SMT inside this fair value gap? You see that's why it was better to long Nasdaq, right? So when we have a SMT at the lows into a PDA, and we have a C2 as well at the same time, that's really bullish. Wait, question, YoloVanc, no question. Question only in Discord, guys. Now I'm just kidding. What's your question, Nico? This is gonna be blue because I don't like the green. But it's too... yeah. No. Not yet. So this one shows ES was stronger. But if you see, Nasdaq was breaking out and ES was following. You see this here, this candle? There was when... So what happened? Here, where is the red arrows are here, ES was stronger, you see? Just say yes and then I move on. Okay, and now here you see this black candle, and you see this bullish candle here. That's where actually Nasdaq started to lead. Yeah, So this is actually SMT confirmation and this is PSP. That's two different topics. I don't want to mix people and confuse them. Yeah. And now we can see a retrace and that's a PSP. The PSP actually just a same C2 but different candle color, and you longing that which is bullish over used to the next candle. You don't want to long here because that's a lower probability one. Yeah, and we go the next C3, but yeah, I don't want to long. This was a consolidation here, guys. That was a consolidation. We broke out. Now I want to see a new order block made and then going higher. I'm not eating this consolidation. because right now a lot of people is gonna jump in, and then if the price wanna go lower, as Alan said, it can, you know, you're gonna be F word, and then you're gonna have a loser trade. Boom, 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 boom. Of course, brother, they do every day. But I like the concept. Gold is gonna go lower. Gold is gonna retest 84. 84 is coming. Or maybe silver went already lower. I'm not sure about the SMT. If someone can tell me there is a SMT between this 23 to 26 candle on silver, I'm too lazy to open the chart right now. So 1 hour time frame made a changing state, 5 minutes made a changing state of delivery. But this is as well, Nicole, remember, when we have this pattern, and I don't like to say patterns, but when you have this pattern, it's always expanding quickly. Funny to see that we have a stronger structure on ES, you see, expand and I retracing, but this consolidation confirmed already it wants to go higher, and it tested the consolidation. So the consolidation between this high and this low happened here on ES, okay, and on Nasdaq happened here. You see, ES already broke out, retested, and then expanded. Here just expanded, no retest yet. Here we go, 84 was hit on gold, as I mentioned. I want to see a slightly reaction from this area. I don't want to see lower now. Maybe it's gonna sweep this low to 80, but I want to see a reaction of this VWAP. Let me see Discord, guys. Whoa, 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 got a lot of messages, guys. What's popping, guys? Alright guys, don't be shy, yeah? Say hi if you watch this stream. We would like to know you. It's not just another Furu concept where you just come and got signals, right? This is much more about to build a connection with other traders. We got like, I think already we have like 3 full-time traders in the chat. So if you have any question, like psychological one or, you know, risk management, whatever, prop firm question, just drop. Alright, I'm gonna go and drink a glass of water. Give me a sec.
YoloVanCoin, live on the screen, as that futures every day. You know what I mean? Daily point of interest, I wait that zone. Patience in my chest, I let the chart talk slow. TT rage, frack the model. Lines in the plan, I do not chase candles. I let them come to hand, need that 1 hour shift. State change on cue, delivery flips clean, then I know what to do. No panic in the room, no ego at the wheel. I keep my pulse steady, I respect the feel. When price tells the truth, I don't force a play. I can sit on my hands and still win the day. See the C2 close up, then I'm ready to load up. 1 hour candle, one breath, M5 entry with no stress. YoloVanCoin, we trade with the plan. YoloVanCoin, grown hands, cold scan. Wait for the change, then I press it right. Build up the craft, get the whole crew right. YoloVanCoin, we trade with the plan. YoloVanCoin, strong mind, sharp eyes. No fear moves here, we don't bend it for pain. Better trader every day, we rise again. I stream the session, let the people see how a clean decision can set you free. Teach the young ones how to hold that line. Not every move is yours, not every chart is mine. If the point ain't hit, I stay patient, the state don't shift. I keep keep it vacant. C2 closure, then I watch that seed. C3 on the hour, that's the entry I need. I talk risk first, then reward can breathe. The pro don't need noise, just a tested read. Community growing from the steps I showed. From I need a win to now I know. See the C2 close up, then I'm ready to load up. 1 hour candle, warm breath, M5 entry with no stress. YoloVanCoin, we trade with the plan. YoloVanCoin, throwing hands, cool scan. Wait for the change, then I press it right. Build up the craft, get the whole crew right. YoloVanCoin.
Alright, I'm back, guys. Let me see what happened. Nothing. Perfect. Gold is going lower now. You see, guys, waiting for confirmation. No gold entry, no long. So we see. We shall see. We just wait. We didn't power over Asia, sitting tight. Would love to see a displacement higher or lower from, and will engage at 10:45, 1 minute, 50 minutes fractal. What you talking about, Nicole? I see. I mean, hey brother, we have a C2 M15 here. Maybe I would change the time frame to 30 minutes to 3 minutes, because right now the 15 minutes is retracing into this fair OB. I see, because that's a clean. I hope you heard. And we haven't touched into. So again, we have ideally would be great to see, did it take the low? Let me see if it took the low. Yeah, it took the low. So we have SMT now here again. We have another SMT into this OB, so we want to see higher prices. So probably Nasdaq is gonna go and take out the 230, because we had the SMT and the SMT was confirmed with the 1 minute changing state of delivery. So probably there's gonna be a C2 on the 50 minutes time frame, and ideally a 230 is coming on Nasdaq in the next couple of seconds. Yeah, here we go, it's flying. So this high is gonna be taken out. Here we go, beautiful price read, guys, beautiful. Harley's, man, so fresh, so clean. Hey, there's a reaction. Yeah, you see, so we had this SMT that was a stronger asset, and I was telling you that's gonna take out the high. Let's see the 30 minutes candle. Yeah, on the 1 hour time frame. Yeah, 1 hour time frame is beautiful. You can enter actually the next 5 minutes OB here. Actually you could enter here long, because this is clean. But it's 127 points. So yeah, ideally we don't want to see the retest of this order block, right? But for me it's too big. The stop loss is too big, so I won't engage. But this is actually a clean long. 2R. 271 point, guys. Like, I don't know, that's for me is too much. Yeah, refresh. Yeah, let me see. Gold M30 is, yeah, M15. there is no, I mean, I don't want to short inside the bullish PDA. I will short if we close below this here, this level on the M15, and then I'm gonna short gold. Until I wouldn't short gold, even if I think it's gonna go for 18 November low, I wouldn't touch it now. Yeah, exactly. It's like 200 points, like, I don't know, guys. And we already in the 4 hour fair value gap inside this so, you know, on the 1 hour, 1 day time frame. And the price already, how much point it made? Let me mark. Dude, where is the fucking ruler? Bad boy. What the fuck? I think I'm retarded. I can't find that one. Oh fuck. Yeah, it went already 600 points. What's the ATR today, Nicole? Do you have the indicator on? Yeah, gold is tanking. I want to see a closure below this fair value gap. I want to see a 172. Thank you. By the way, I was tape reading London session, Nasdaq guys. 720, yeah. So that means we went like from this low, not that much up move we have. So literally we have like 80 more points, yeah. So I wouldn't long. I would rather just see a retrace and just, you know, short. But anyway, so 30 minutes time frame. Oh man, I think that was here 230-ish. We have this area here. Let me go back. Yeah, sure. So I think that was here. Yeah. So look guys, that was cruel, and so bearish order block, right? Price retraces back the 30 minutes bearish order block. 50% is respected. Make a C2. I was like, cool, I will short, right? I wanted to short, and then I went to the 3 minutes time frame. I was just tape reading, but you can see I marked so, and I was like, okay, here we go. That was a point of interest here. I won't draw it now. And the price went lower again. So ideally you wanted to have your stop loss there. You would enter here, right? So you actually, after this, you enter the retest, or you enter the retest of this. Put this here, right? And 1.5 should be here, and 2R was here. C1, that was a C1, that was a C2, that was a C3, right? And that was a C4 here. So I was like, you know what, let's just short. That didn't take, I was just tape reading because I still study how the price is reacting and when the price is acting active during the London session. So look at this. C4, consolidation hard, and then look at this, boom, at the open of C5 the price was just tanking. Here we go, and you reach the low. So that was my dog. So if you want to study price action, go back to 2:30 today London session, guys, okay, and annotate yourself this beautiful price action and send in the group in Discord, okay. Here we go. Let me see what the price is doing now. Let me go back to 5 minutes time frame. Oh, here we go. It would be a loss. Yeah, it's again consolidating here. I wouldn't long. Oh, let me see the 15 minutes time frame. Yeah, this is a 15 minutes. I wouldn't engage. You don't know. I mean, like the overall time frame is bearish on the 1 hour time frame. The bullish 15 minutes, it can be just a retrace of the 4 hour bearish time frame, right? Because the 4 hour is bearish, right? Bearish, and this can be a sweep and going lower, sweep the high and then take this internal liquidity into this pre-day low. from this 4-hour fair value gap, and this 2 4-hour candle can be just a 50 minutes bullish retrace before it goes lower. So I wouldn't really engage in here as well. I wouldn't say this is a closure here. I would say this hold down move, and yeah, I know we should wait for a closure above this level, but I think the price is gonna just go lower from here. Let me see this section liquidity. Yeah, oh no, that's really bad, because what happened, New York set London, so, and then went higher. So I think we're gonna have something like maybe inside the rest of the day. We're gonna stay inside here, because the session was great, took out the London and reverse on London, took out all the failure swings on the session liquidity here, and now inside this imbalance, which is actually this support zone, which can act as a resistance or long, I don't know, this is like low resistance liquidity into this imbalance of the session liquidity. So I wouldn't really, maybe I won't touch at all. Let me see gold. I would like to see gold, how the gold is acting, and maybe I can just, I don't know, this is like, we have a, damn, this one looks so juicy, but it turned to be bullish. It's against the bullish 15 minutes time frame. I don't want to short now, but I wish I could, because that could be a 1 minute changing state of delivery. Pum, pum, pum. Because we almost reached the ATR, I think we can have a retrace from this area. And we can have a 1 hour SMT as well here, guys. But for this 1 hour SMT, we need a 5 minute changing state of delivery inside the C2. So what I think it looks like, Asian London liquidity was taken out with this up move, so that's definitely a buy model. So we should measure the market maker buy model inside this 1 hour candle. Okay, so let's go back to 7 o'clock and see what we have and try to annotate. Okay, so this is the leg low. Yeah, let me put on the standard deviation. Yeah, minus 2.5. It can consolidate, can take out this -4. Do we have anything at the -4 level? Nothing. We have a meeting. We have a fair value gap there on the 5 minutes time frame. Let me just be accurate and mark it, because otherwise, so that means we have a lot of liquidity below, but I think the price is more likely to go lower now and to this, because we reached the -2. It's not went higher, like there was a consolidation manipulation. So actually there was the area where we can see the price wants to go lower now. Here exactly the same, there was a manipulation, and this is a closure. So I think we can use a market maker sell model from this low to that high, which is gonna be, yeah, I think we can go take these lows here. That's like a 740 low. I don't need this SMT anymore. The point of interest, I don't think it's relevant anymore. I don't need the 15 minutes. I don't need the CPI high, because CPI was taken. This is a 1 hour SMT, and it's already confirmed inside here, so I think the price is willing to go lower. No imbalance. I think it's gonna go lower. I don't need this one here. I don't need this one here. I'm gonna change this one to red and this one to red as well. The 1 hour SMT was confirmed, both of the indices. I don't need this one here now. That was just for annotation and study purposes. CPI low is juicy at around the -2 level. Let me see, guys, what you write. I do like this reaction. Maybe this plays a bit lower. Yeah, he has made a 15 minutes OB formed H4C2. We look for a lower. Yeah, me too. But I think we have to wait for the. I think I'm gonna wait for the 1 hour C3 because that's gonna be a C2, and I'm gonna just short inside the C3. I'm just annotating now. Let me start the annotation. So. Are you with me, guys? Okay. Here we go. God is dying, guys. Yeah, I think the price is gonna go and hit the 968 now. So I wanna see the -1 hit before it's retracing at the beginning of. Oh, God is dying, guys. Look at this. Yeah, I don't wanna see retrace now. I wanna see this 968 to be taken now. Limit in. Where did you enter limit, Nico? Or did you enter the 15 in the 1 minute? So now you're gonna be tagging here. Yeah, you tag in now. Yeah. Whoa, chill, daddy, chill. I wanna see the price tanking. Here we go. I wanna see the price to going lower. I don't like this bullish reaction at all. I want to see the price to reject hard now. So we have. Oh, you inside? Let me have this one, the last 3 as well. And I'm gonna annotate. This is the M15 C2. Beautiful reaction. This is what I want to see. See one switch off the AC. Okay, nice. Done. Okay, beautiful reaction. I want to see the price tanking now. 968. 968. Let me annotate. I don't want to see reversal here. Beautiful. Die, 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 die. You have to die, fucker. Just die. I don't want to see a sweep, Nicole. I want to see the price dying now, okay? You break even. Perfect. Perfect. I'm still waiting for the entry. I'm just annotating this. I want to engage in the C3 1 hour candle. But that was a beautiful short. Actually, that was valid. That was nice. Congratulations. I'm happy that you recognize it all alone. Fuck yeah. Yeah, that was a good. Oh shit, that was a good one, Nicole. Congrats. You merged two concepts all together. No, it doesn't really matter. Doesn't really matter. Hope, there is no hope, just probability. There is no hope. You wanna, I mean, like, this is still bearish. Like, made the new bearish 1 minute changing state of delivery, so it's gonna hit your TP. It doesn't really matter if you take a profit or not. You follow your rules. You saw the M15 C3 and you engaged. You entered. Probably you entered in a ES, I guess, but just say you entered here. And you have a 2R, which is actually kind of nice. If you enter here, yeah, 2. Who has taken this short, guys? Who has taken this short, guys? I wanna take an entry. I think ES. ES is a weak. Nah, Nasdaq. ES is a weaker. Nasdaq is a stronger. So let me annotate this one too. Beautiful. I wanna see a C2 here. That was a H1 C2. Beautiful. And I wanna go on the 15 minutes time frame. There's a C2, C3, C4, yeah, and that's, oh yeah, the problem could be that Nicole, ES is going back to their fair value gap, and because ES is the weaker one, I hope you took the, you know, trade on ES, not Nasdaq, because Nasdaq can consolidate now and ES can go lower, but it's already in the fair value gap. Took ES, that's, dude, that's good, yeah, exactly. Exactly. I mean, this OB is nice. That was a great short idea. Perfect. And I'm gonna annotate this is a M15C2, and you inside you short in the seat 4, and you entered. Let me annotate. Beautiful, beautiful. Price is dying. Okay. Yeah, Nasdaq is gonna take out this low, this 68. Beautiful, 68 was taken. I think you out. I think you out with a win. Let me delete this. Close. That's it. That's it. Gone. Man, that was a great trade, Nicole. No hesitation, no bullshit. You saw the entry. You executed. No risk management problem. You put in break even. You were a bit like, yeah, hopium. Yeah, hope it's gonna hit. Blah blah blah. Forget the word, yeah, hopium. It hits or not, doesn't really matter. End of the story. In the long term, there's gonna be a good short opportunity. That's nice. Okay. Let's say I hope I hope I'm gonna have a new entry as well. Okay, and what I need now, go on the 1 minute time frame and annotate properly. The door is still open, the CPI low, so I want to see the price manipulate into the point of interest of mine and then the price going lower. I want to see price now retracing and then going lower to the CPI low. And because that was in a 15 minutes time frame, you can add the standard deviation from that low to that high, and you see we're gonna reach the -2 here. So probably is gonna go and take this one. Yeah, but we reach this -1, -1.5, so we can anticipate a retrace before it goes lower. Okay, so that's not bad. That's not bad, guys. Here we go, the reaction. That's a 50-point reaction in 1 minute candle. Oh guys, these people are showing PN always 12,000, 8,000. Dude, fuck off. Alright, Nasdaq is gonna take out the 49 level. Let me put 49. I think this is coming, this level. I wanna see the low taken out and then retrace. I wanna see a sweep. Pum pum pum. That's a 40 points reaction, but didn't take out the low. And ES took out the low. Yeah, but the CPI low is the door, so we had this fair value area here, so I don't want to see the price closing higher than this. I want to see a rejection from here to sweep this low. Here we go. I want to see that price to sweep that low. Here we go, baby. Let's go sweep that low. It's gonna sweep that low. Let's go. Come on, don't take that, don't leave that, sweep that low. Here we go, swap that low. Beautiful, beautiful. Your entry was here, Nicole. I'm just gonna annotate. Here we go. Swap that low, and now I wanna see retrace and then CPI low. I want to see a kind of fake consolidation here. We manipulate and then going lower. Take out CPI low. I don't want to see a quick move here. I want to see more like buyers to step in. Here we go. I want to see that liquidity push a bit higher. Here we go. There's no SMT anymore. Perfect. It's cleaned. I want to see the point of interest to tag in. The 1 hour time frame is bearish as well on both indices. So let me annotate the chart. That was a high, that's a low. Call me a sniper, Mad Demon Sniper, yeah, Nicole? Okay, and this was the open of the candle. So this is a 5 minute changing state of delivery when I want to see a new H1 point. point of interest. Okay, let's go back to the 5 minute. Yeah, beautiful. And I want to see this on a 1 minute time frame as well, brother. I'm gonna do the same here, to that high, to that low, and that was the open price. I want to see that one. Yeah, perfect. H1 point of interest. Here we go, the manipulation is happening right now. I go on the 15 minutes time frame now. We had actually a bearish closure as well on the 15. I don't want to see this on the 15 minutes time frame, guys. Okay, and now, oh, this is my point of interest. Wait, I guess, let me see, 15 minutes from this to this, exactly. So this is the max level I want to see the price. I'm going on the, in here as well. I'm gonna go to that high, yeah, to that low. I'm gonna go here, I'm going here, and 15 point of interest. Let me go on the 1 minute time frame. So now I see the 1 minute, I see the 1 hour time frame, the 15 minutes. Perfect. So I want to see, as I mentioned, manipulation back to this area. That's my point of interest. I want to see how the price is reacting that area, and here exactly the same on a 1 minute time frame. All right, let me see the chat. How many of are you still watching the stream after you got win? You just leave and don't say hi. Congratulations to that 37R. That's gonna, here we go. That's a reaction I want to see. Perfect. So why did you have two? That's 37R and not 2R, Nicole? Here we go. The reaction I want to see. Beautiful on gold as well. Let me see from manually close it. Okay. Okay, it's not bad. This reaction is not bad at all. CPI low, baby bow. CPI low. Okay, yeah, let me annotate there's 3 minutes or 30 minutes as well, just in case. Why do I have that one there? I don't need that one there. So this is a M30 point of interest. Here as well, let me add. Three minutes, beautiful. After this 3 minute closure, probably there will be a short opportunity. Let me go on 3 minutes time frame. Beautiful. Maybe ES is better. No, we need a closure ES as well on 3 minute. Here we go. We got a 3 minute closure. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. Beautiful, guys. Here we go, baby. Just go lower, baby. This is a new 30 minute candle. Here we go, baby. Let's go lower, baby. Let me have this one in the 3 minutes as well. Who took this 3-minute entry, guys? Who took this entry? Okay. Consider yes. I didn't take. I didn't. Okay. Okay. And I'm gonna put this one here. This is 30 minutes, so I'm gonna have until here. Okay, now we have closure on ES as well. So I would like to see another changing state of delivery here. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. Here we go. Why would you like to engage? You have already your win. So why would you engage, Nicole? I don't get it. Why would you engage? Why would you engage, brother? Who's gonna take this short and who's gonna tell me why it's good or why is it not good? I don't say shit, guys. You tell me why is it good, why is it bad? Who's gonna tell me why is it good? Who's gonna tell me why isn't it good? Low fucking G. What's that? You have SIPA liquidity open. You have PD liquidity open. Yes, exactly. Confirmation. You have M1 OB. You have M3 OB. The wind is at your back. Exactly. Paida, hey. And TP hit. Who's gonna tell me why it was a good entry, why it was a wrong entry, why you entered, why you missed this entry? Who's gonna tell me? Here we go, Inzactus. W. We got 2 wins today, guys. Perfect. I had this trade and I'm gonna be like a classic influencer, guys. Here we go. My print screen of my today profit. Everybody can screenshot it. Here we go. I'm washing my hands. That was literally a 3-minute trade. WV, everybody, good job. That's it. I think CPI low is coming on ES, so probably I want to see that going lower. I mean, that's actually like 40 more points, guys, but the CPI was taken out on ES, but I want to see that to take out as well on Nasdaq too. CPI low is at 39. CPI low. Come on, baby. Open low, high close. I want to see open low, high close on next candle. Usually the 1 Lexio door will be hit. Yeah. Let's go, baby. Just hit my CPI low. I want to see the price to hit the CPI low level on Nasdaq as well, and I'm gonna close the chart. This is a fake up move. I don't believe this fake up move, guys. Like, nah. The CPI low is still there. We won't see a harsh reaction. That's manipulation, and it's gonna go lower. The CPI low is coming. That's a liquidity level has to be taken on both indices. All right, I want to see the price tanking right now. Here we go. I want to see price going to CPI low. Don't be shy, brother. Don't be shy. Just go. Here we go, baby. Just take it. Take. Dude, take it. Finally, just fucking take it. Okay, sorry guys. I like to read the 1 minute price action as well. Let me see the chat. I think pretty low will be taken. I don't care anymore. I have my 2R, 2.3R, 2.03. I'm fine. I'm gonna put myself on tilt. I don't really wanna see any price action right now anymore. These are A conditions. Yes and no. You tell me why. We haven't had that in a while. We have the daily alignment as well. Yeah, we never had. Oh, we have sometimes. Congrats. It's all come down to reviewing the daily chart and incorporating the M1 and tape reading in hindsight. Yeah, makes it easy to have conviction to engage. Oh wait. Where is my money, bro? Here, I can't leave the stream without how much I made. Okay, I have to leave here because that's how every streamer just posing, right? Okay, it makes easy conviction engaging. Congratulations, Inzactis. How far are you passing your account? Sorry, I can't speak properly. Here we go, and you see, you weren't copy trading my trade, and I entered the trade as well. I just was tape reading, and I asked you guys, what do you think about this entry? You said this is a good entry, and you explained why it was a good entry. So literally, you exactly the same page I was when I take this entry, and I was engaged. So it's like you know, bread and butter. Let's say ICT way, bread and butter. And PD, like, after a bit more consistency with my current side, I will have runners on days like this. Yeah, Nicole, you shouldn't plan already. Let's have a 2-3 months profitable week months, and then when you build up your buffer, because you are full-time trader as well. So with the full-time trading, I always try to tell the people that go slow. Right, no rush, because you have to, so most of the traders who posting on Twitter and they making like $1 million a day or shit like that, they have their job and they still working, and they don't really care about that if they lose their accounts and shit like that, right? So when you are a full-time trader, you have no other source of income, you rely on this money, and you have to understand this is like a work. You appearing, you make decisions, you enter, and do the same, do the same, do the same. And this is not like in let's say like trading with challenges and just posing and yeah, I make $12,000 or something like that. Dude, if you make a day $12,000, dude, just imagine. So something is fishy there. So I think that's really important. And I make 2 hours. You can calculate how much I risk. And let me see the chat. Yeah, exactly. And that's why you have to have a proper risk management to not just you rely on it, but you as well, like you know, you have to think about it as a job, I guess. At least that's why I think. This is, yeah. And yeah, exactly, congrats, only 0.5% left and you're gonna pass. That's gonna be like $500. How much you have to make? 250 or something? Okay. Well, how much exactly? I don't remember. Yeah. And as well, in Zactis, you were like telling me, oh, I'm gonna take this trade, and I didn't tell you like don't trade or don't take, and you took it and you make money. That's good. Oh, 250, brother. That's nice. Only 250 and you pass your account. Take it easy, brother. And then finally you pass your account and you start to build your funded accounts. Okay. Let me see the chat, guys. All right, that's a Nico's song. Nico's song is coming. Yeah, don't chase. So today we could have actually 3 trades, 1 long and 2 shorts, and they were actually inside the so that was when we anticipate the next candle. When we had a bullish candle, we anticipate another bullish move. It was confirmed within M15 C2 C3. So that was 1 valid long today during the New York AM and 2 shorts today, and we had 1 valid M30 short as well during London session. So today, if you follow the fractal strategy or what 3 trades teaches or what I actually tell people to, you should have like 1, 2, 3, 4 wins today, and that's it. I think that's more than enough, right? I told you guys fractal is king. 3 trades is the GOAT. Beautiful. Okay guys, I think I'm gonna wrap up the live stream. Let me see the chat. Yeah, I'm gonna go to Las Americas, Los Cristianos. I haven't decided yet. I'm gonna just chill a bit on the beach, have my drink, go for the walk, and just, you know, relax. And yeah, if you have any question, please don't be shy, drop in the chat. or in the Discord. If you're not part of the Discord, you can sign up. There is a link in the description, and don't forget to share this stream, please. We're gonna hit 800 followers soon. I need 3 more followers, and then finally we gonna hit 800 followers from scratch. And yeah guys, maybe I'm gonna upload some videos in the future like Fractal 101. If you're interested, let me know, leave a comment, and have an amazing rest of your day, guys. I'm just gonna switch off the stream, and peace, yo.